Welcome to Feisty Marketer. In today's video we will add portfolio to Upwork profile. Portfolio is very important on Upwork, because every time a client comes to Upwork they check your profile and portfolio. If the client likes your profile and portfolio, they may place an order to you. That's why, it is important to add portfolio in your Upwork profile. In this video, I'll show you how to add a portfolio to your Upwork account. Log in your Upwork account, and then click on your profile. When your profile opens, scroll it down. Here you will find portfolio option. Next to it, there is a plus sign. Click on it. Here, it asks you for the project title. Write your project title here that you have made. As, I am a designer, I write flyer design here. Next, you need to specify the date on which your project is completed. Then click on Go to select template. Here, you get 3 types of template. First one is gallery. In gallery template, you can display images or videos, one at a time. While, second one is case study template. In this template you have to highlight the problem of your project and explain its solution. And, the last template is classic. In this template you allow the clients to scroll through your work and portfolio. You can select any template, which suit you according to your service. I select the gallery template. After the selection of template, click on Go to add detail. In Add Detail option, you have to add the image of your file. The image you add should be in JPG, GIF, PNG, and its size should be up to 10 megabytes. Or you can also add the link of video. Videos should be in these format and the maximum size of video is up to 100 megabytes. Videos are also very beneficial. It helps the client to understand your project. Video should be less than 60 seconds. You can also upload audio and document in PDF form. Let's click on Browse and add an image. You can also add more than one image of the given size. In Skills and Deliverables option, you have to add the skills used to create that image. Like, I add flyer design, flyer, video editing, etc. You can also enter the caption here if you want. If you have ever created a website for a client, you can also add the URL of the website. But, it's an optional. In the project description option, describe your project, as I described this one as the flyer of marketing agency. This agency helps in publishing and graphic design. After this, click on Go to Preview. Your flyer is shown in the preview option. All your provide information is shown here. If you want to edit any of this, click on Edit option. If you finalize your project, click on Publish. Now, check your profile. This flyer has been added to your portfolio with all your skills. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.